Well, happy Christmas Eve, everybody. This is us done, shutting up for 2025. It's been a hell of a year, but we're done. And we've done our customary end of year tidy up. We do tidy up more than once a year, but it's nice at the end just to have a good rundown tidy up. We've got to put the bins out before we go and we are done. But it does mean we also get a chance to set up for January when we're back. We've got sitting in the booth there right now, we've got the VW Beetle Carman convertible. That's all done, it's in polyester now, so it'll have a final block before going into primer. So that should be in primer the first week back in January. As Lou's panning round, the most talked about Lotus on our channel, we have the Lotus Esprit. That's a very special car, that. We will be doing a video on that very, very soon. Work is underway. It is a very special car. I see Luke's just going in, zooming into that magic sticker that says 002. It's way more important than 007. That is a pre-production development car for Lotus. Very special bit of kit. We're really quite chuffed and honoured to be part of that story. We've got XJS V12 convertible here. You can probably see from there already the obvious bits of damage. So we've got this. This is a full repaint, full bare metal repaint. So this will be kicking off as soon as we come back in on January. And then of course we have two Cadillacs and a Transit here, which, yeah, we were asked a little while ago, how do we keep on top of planned works and things like that? And it is difficult when the Cadillac turned out to be a ton more work than anticipated, which we've covered in other videos. The Transit has actually been a load more work than was originally thought. We were told lots of stuff that was done, and it doesn't need much. It did need a lot. And the 57 had major engine issues mechanically, so we kind of took our foot off the gas with that because there was problems with the engineering of the block. That's suddenly just kicked into gear and that's all done, so now we need to get on and get that one done as well. So whilst we've got nothing actually booked in for January, we've done that on purpose because we've got plenty to be getting on with. We've even got a Harley Davidson there, bit of custom work going on the paint with that, so we've got that to do in January as well. Plenty to keep us busy when we come back to a quiet January. So we have got coming up next weekend, the 27th, I think. We've got the video on the XK150. So you would have seen part one. You would have seen the XK featured in the filler work video. It's just featured in a how thick the paint goes on video. So that's now just about a done car. You'll have that video coming up on Saturday. And a little bit out of sync, we're going to do our end of year roundup, which will be on the 3rd of January, where you get to hear Luke and I, unscripted as always, waffle on, talk some crap about the year that's gone by, highlights, lowlights, and all we're looking forward to in 2026, because we've got some big stuff coming up in 2026. On a side note, kind of a happy note now, a few people have said, where's Bo? He is still with us in every sense of the word. He has been very unwell the past couple of weeks, and he's been in, he's done the odd day here or there, but he's really not quite with it yet. So he's been away for the past week or two. He will be back with a vengeance, we hope, in January, and we'll get him loaded up with plenty of things to do, so you will be seeing him in videos again very soon. I'm also going to kick his butt to try and get something happening with the Capri, because I'm really keen to do something with my 57. So, New Year's resolutions and all that old jazz. So thank you again for everyone that's watched, everyone that's supported. We will cover more of this in the roundup. But for now, this is us signing off. Hope everyone has a really great Christmas, enjoys a bit of time off. We're going to enjoy a little bit of time off, and we'll see you all Saturday for the XK150 video, following Saturday for the roundup video, and then back into it like nothing happened for 2026. So thanks again for watching. Catch up with you soon.